1,000 monkeys with 1,000 years could not produce the works of Shakespeare. But give 1,000 marketers 1 hour and they will produce 1,000 pieces of content on ChatGPT. In this video, I'll share with you my favorite 7 AI tools to save you time and make you money in digital marketing. Now, none of these are going to write Shakespeare, but you can use them to help you do what you do better. Let's start with Jasper. I've been using Jasper since September last year, and it has improved massively. They have all the usual templates like blog post, ad copy, and social posts, but their strengths lie elsewhere. Jasper excels at long-form content like scripts for YouTube videos, LinkedIn posts, Facebook ads, and most importantly, SEO content. I use it every day to generate article briefs based on keywords I'm targeting and then expand those briefs into full-blown articles with headings and images. These articles are not perfect, but they are a massive time saver. They save me hours of research each week so I can focus on strategy and other areas of my business. The interface is also incredibly clean and intuitive. It feels good to work in, and they keep rolling out new templates and features every month. Next up is Stable Diffusion for generating images. There are many options here, and you can choose your own adventure. You can either download the software onto your desktop, which is free, or you can go with a browser-based solution like Sora, Wonder, or Midjourney. My recommendation would be to go with Midjourney because it's easy, fast, and has the best results. While Stable Diffusion and Midjourney are free to use, there are limitations on how many images you can create each day. To get more credits, you need to pay $10 per month or $30 per month for unlimited use. In addition to paying for the service, you also need to have a credit card on file. This isn't ideal for someone who just wants to play around with AI art and may not want to commit to a monthly subscription or hand over their credit card details. So for this reason, I recommend testing the water with a browser-based solution first. I'd recommend Midjourney over Sora or Wonder because Midjourney has better image quality and resolution. However, the main drawback of Midjourney is that it does not allow commercial use unless you purchase a commercial license. This means that you cannot use any of its images in your marketing materials unless you get a license. Also, the free version only allows you to download 25 images. After that, you need to pay for additional downloads. On the other hand, Stable Diffusion is completely free and open source, which means there are no restrictions on commercial use and you can download as many images as you want. However, I did find that the image quality was not as good as Midjourney. If you want to take your branding to the next level, check out Brandmark. All you need to do is enter your brand name and select a logo style, and it will spit out 64 unique logos for you to choose from. You can then edit these logos further or download them in vector format. When it comes to audio, you'll want to check out 11 Labs. 11 Labs offers text-to-voice capabilities via API, meaning you can integrate text-to-voice generation into your own apps and websites. While there are other text-to-voice generators out there such as Murph and Lovo, the main benefit of 11 Labs is its ability to clone voices. If you visit their website and scroll down, you'll see a section called Lifelike Voices. Here, you can upload a recording of yourself speaking, and within 10 minutes, you'll have a voice clone that sounds exactly like you. This opens up all sorts of possibilities for voice cloning apps and websites. For example, you could create a website where people can upload their own voices and then use those voices to generate voiceovers for their videos. For email marketing, I recommend Sendinblue. They have an awesome free plan which includes up to 300 emails per day, and you can send up to 6,000 emails per month without any time limits. As you grow your list, you can upgrade your account to unlock more features. I've been using Sendinblue for a few months now to run email campaigns and have been impressed with its deliverability rates. Deliverability refers to the percentage of emails that end up in the inbox rather than the spam folder. A good deliverability rate is crucial for any email campaign, and Sendinblue's deliverability rates are comparable to industry leaders like MailChimp and ConvertKit. What sets Sendinblue apart is its automation capabilities. Automation is a powerful tool for any marketer because it allows you to create email workflows that nurture leads and convert them into customers without having to manually send out individual emails. Sendinblue makes it easy to set up automated email journeys based on triggers such as a user's behavior or demographics. When it comes to your website, you'll want to check out ScaleXT. ScaleXT is a free Chrome extension that uses AI to analyze your website and provide suggestions for improvement based on Google's ranking factors. Once you install the extension, you can browse websites in the ScaleXT network and view their performance score. You can also view the specific ranking factors that are being used to determine the score. One of the great things about ScaleXT is that it considers hundreds of ranking factors and technical SEO issues when evaluating a website, making it a comprehensive tool for improving SEO. Another feature of ScaleXT is its user-friendly interface. The dashboard provides a clear overview of the website's performance, and the suggested improvements are easy to follow. The extension is available in multiple languages, making it accessible to a global audience. Now, if you want a simple and free tool for writing emails, try AnyWord. AnyWord is a powerful tool that uses AI to help you write better emails. It's free to use and easy to integrate with popular email platforms such as Gmail and Outlook. With AnyWord, you can write emails quickly and improve your writing with ease. One of the standout features of AnyWord is its real-time feedback capability. You can write emails in your inbox and receive feedback instantly. This helps you to improve your writing as you go and ensures that you always sound professional and polished. AnyWord also offers advanced analytics, which means you can track the performance of your emails and see what's working and what isn't. You can see open rates, click-through rates, and more, so you can adjust your strategy accordingly. Overall, AnyWord is a fantastic tool for anyone who wants to write better emails. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or just someone who wants to improve their writing skills, AnyWord is worth checking out. And finally, we have Cogni, formerly known as Bingo. It's a super simple tool that lets you easily create chatbots for your website. Chatbots are a great way to engage with potential customers, answer questions, and qualify leads. And Cogni makes it easy to create chatbots without any coding knowledge. You can choose from a variety of templates and customize them to fit your brand, and then publish them on your website. Cogni also offers analytics so you can track your chatbot's performance and see what areas need improvement. That concludes my list of the best AI tools for digital marketing. Feel free to use any combination of these tools to help you with your marketing efforts. Just remember to test out different tools and strategies to see what works best for you and your audience. Don't settle for the first tool you come across. Try out several and see which ones give you the best results. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.